Today we discuss about the Aries people, money, life, career. Aries people are young-hearted, cheerful, and confident. However, they sometimes can act hastily. They are industrious and courageous risk takers, so their career is either in a leadership position or as entrepreneurs. When it comes to money, but it personal finance or business related, all 12 zodiac signs have different approaches of this important matter. Some of them are the great savers. Some others are dreamers. Let's see here is native daily with their money. Career should be a choice we make based on our aptitudes and our wishes and life perspectives. But in the world of today, careers are strongly attached to the financial matters. Of course, this is on the social territory explored by astrologians certain guidance lines and given in the direction to for each zodiac sign. This is why the following lines will also try to point out the basic areas that are suitable for Aries people. See, it is mostly like you meet Aries in a leadership position or as an entrepreneur. Leading and innovating, this is where their people excel can improve how independent, energetic and courageous that they are. They have a million ideas every day. It is just too bad they lack the persistence to go through all the terrible of actually making those ideas come true. Aries people have a passionate approach to life. They are as outspoken and cheerful, but they also tend to act hastily at times and take unnecessary risks. If they manage to temper some of their impulses, they will be able to focus better and be even more curious, but in a safe way. The way this time. Money come and go. This is a mantra of Aries. They don't worry so much about finance because they have usually set a prosperous, actually forehand. The only moment when they wish they would be the wealthier is when they want to financial their usual ideas. Aries people want a financial safety, but they don't make a life crisis out of this. They save when it's time to save, and this comes naturally to them. They would even happier if they would stop taking financial risks to promote their unusual plans, or at least see that those money are well invested by getting those plans to completion. Aries people related to amongst the zodiac signs in the second category of the bread makers. They would be the most paid signs of they would if they would be more diplomatic and care more about their positions and work while as to climb the ladder fast and get paid better earlier in life. Career occupies an important parts of their lives, but somehow manage to be successful both in their field of actually as well activity, but also in their families. They're stubborn even there in this regard. They form a family when they want to respect this responsibility, offer it the right amount of time. Aries don't really know the term team players. No matter of their position in the company, they're sure to act impatient and boss even when they're equals. They are natural born leaders, and no one will make them collaborate or listen to others. So it's best for them if they see their tendencies get action higher executive positions. The careers are the best for in areas including executive positions, but are also engineering, exploring, medical care, and politics as sports. That's it. Subscribe me. Thank you. Any doubts you can ask me.